So yesterday, as you have no one not know, the Dusk has officially released, and we can just go to the official page. So this is the Dusk page, and today we have version 1.1, 0.1 released as according to the GitHub page. You have a full setup manual with dumping your valid copy or get from anywhere you like, and the setup procedure is as simple as it is. There's nothing to do. So just go from the release site, and this is the version 1.0.1, and you have the all version Android, ARM, Linux, macOS, and Windows 32. So I've downloaded this version, or you just simply download from the home page, because if you open it on the Windows, it will be Windows, and if you do in the Android, it will be Android. So there is nothing to talk about. Now, when you download it, so it basically give you this type of thing. This is the version 1.0.1. So you launch the Dusk 1.exe unit and controller connected every time play, and then there will be option to choose disk and drive. That's pretty simple thing to do. I will just not do it. Like, the disk is ready, so from the setting you can just again, so you can just select the disk, Twilight Princess, open, same thing. There is option to graphics backend, so you can just put it in auto or Vulkan depending on Linux or Mac use, and save type folder is GCI folder or cart image. Then there is video. You can select the internal resolution up to 8x, so it is now 4K. The 8x 12x is the 8K resolution, and the reset to default will do my 1920 to 1080p. So there is texture pack of 4K, that's why I in 5 just. And there is shadow resolution again up to 8 Kelvin, and there is a bloom. You can classic, off, or the dusk preset, anything you like. There is other things in the input. I think you can config or background config, and you don't know. There is audio, gameplay, and there's cheats which you can off. I just on them to see what happened. And there's interface, and now you have open data folder at first. This is important because that's where you have to dump. This is app data roaming task. So that's where you need to put your texture replacement file. This is the gj2 file, and we will say how to download it. That's the most important, and they are dgs2, I think. Structure text. So we will talk about it now. There is notification all and off and everything. That's not what I will tell. And when you play, you can just say this is the 4K version. This is the Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess 4K. So yeah, this is the 4K and mod, and I'm just signing off the game. Okay. Now, when you go to the Zelda Twilight Princess and Rico Magnifico website, these are the 4K texture and HD texture or Dolphin emulator, which runs horribly. I don't know why. So before after, and there is a comparison of HD and 4K, whatever you like. It will support, I think. Now here is the download texture pack 3.0 alternate download link. But every links just go on to the Google Drive. So again, just I'm clicking it. All the I have clicked them. So this is the folder is opening. So share with me. So mobile and desktop, and you have the desktop version or in mobile for that mobile. Now if you want to download, like I download the 4K file, it does not download because the access quota limit. So now it is scanning for one and downloaded quota exceeded in this file, so you cannot download this file. That's it. So you have to do, which is that is the add to shortcut, and I have you have one shortcut to the paste file. So I will just do it for this file. So there is the add to shortcut to drive. You can just add this shortcut to this, and yeah, this is added. And here is my folder, I think, which is not updated. Yeah, it is now updated. So whatever you have to do, nothing, just right click on the folder and download. So it will zip the two file and you will be downloaded. Cancel the download. See the history, I think. So yeah, that's a zip file. That's how I have downloaded just one file, and I have the shortcut and just download the whole thing. So that's it, you have to do it. After download it, you will get this file with all of this with Dolphin configuration. That's not what we need. So you just need user load texture this dj2 file, copy it, and again go to the old app data roaming will run Dusk texture replacement and paste it here. So if you do not want to run all this, just a quick thing, which I think no. So just extract all. Why I'm doing it anyway? Extract all. Oh, what? Just go to the main file. Copy it and paste it where the location is, and that's it. That's the whole thing you have not to do, and your 4K texture pack is already, and that's what the Henrico mod. I think they will add PNG support is on DDS now. I have the 4K texture file, and at the end of the video I will just put some video to compare normal HD and the normal Dusk version and the 4K one, and have it. I hope you enjoy the video and it is beneficial or not. Let you know. So that's it for the video. Signing off.